Exercise 3.5. Question number first. First part given x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. A1 is equal to coefficient of x, that is equal to 1. A2 is equal to coefficient of x in second equation, that is equal to 3. B1 is equal to coefficient of y, that is minus 3, and B2 is equal to coefficient of y in second equation, that is minus 9. C1 equal to constant, that is minus 3, C2 is equal to minus 2. So A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. 1 upon 3 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 9 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2. Minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel, but 3 ones are 3, 3 3 are 9. This implies 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 is not equal to 3 upon 2. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. If 2 equal and third is not equal, then it's no solution. No solution. So pair of linear equation has no solution. So pair of linear equation has no solution. It's given equation x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0, second equation. And coefficient of x, first, equation second. In first equation, coefficient of x is called a1, and second equation, coefficient of x is equal to a2. Coefficient of y, first equation b1, second equation b2. Constant number c1 and c2. And a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. If 2 equal and third is not equal, then pair of linear equation has no solution. Answer. Question first. Second part. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. It's equation first and second. A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to coefficient of y 1 and B2 is equal to 2, C1 equal to 5 and C2 is equal to 8. So A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. This implies 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 8. But 2 upon 3 is not equal to 1 upon 2 is not equal to 5 upon 8. If A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, then pair of linear equations has unique solution. and by cross multiplication method, by cross multiplication method, by cross multiplication method, first, that is 1, 2, third 5, 8, and first 2, 3, 1, 2. X, Y minus 1. This implies x divided by 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8, 5 2s are 10, and minus is equal to 5 3s are 15 minus 8 2s are 16. Y upon 15 minus 16 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 2s are 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. X upon minus 2 is equal to last, that is minus 1. This implies x is equal to positive 2. Minus minus, that will be positive. And y upon minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This implies y is equal to positive 1. X is equal to 2 answer, y is equal to 1 answer. Given equation is 2x plus y equal to 5, equation first. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, equation second. And in equation first, a1 is 2 and b1 is 1, c1 is 5, and a2 is 3, b2 is 2, and c2 is 8. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, but a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2. Then pair of linear equation is unique solution, and so by cross multiplication method, we find the value of x and y. X upon second 1 2, third 5 8, first 2 1 2 3, and last, that is 1 2. X 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8, and 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 10, is equal to y upon 5 3s are 15 minus 8 2s are 16, minus 16 is equal to minus 1 upon 4 minus 3. X upon minus 2 is equal to constant term, that is minus 1. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, that will be positive 2. And on the same process, y upon minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, that will be positive 1. X equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 answer. Question first, third part. 3x minus 5y is equal to 20, and 6x minus 10y is equal to 40. A1 is equal to 3, A2 is equal to 6, B1 is equal to minus 5, B2 is equal to minus 10, C1 is equal to 20, and C2 is equal to 40. A1, so A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. This implies 3 upon 6 is equal to minus 5 upon minus 10 is equal to 20 upon 40. This is cancelled, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus minus is cancelled, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, that is equal. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2. So pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Equation first, equation second. A1 is 3, A2 is 6, B1 is -5, B2 is -10, and C1 is 20, C2 is 40. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2, -5 upon -10 is 1 upon 2, and 20 upon 40 is 1 upon 2. If A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, then pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Answer. Question number 1, fourth part. X minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to -3, B2 is equal to -3, C1 is equal to -7, C2 is equal to -15. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. So its unique solution. And unique solution, we can find the value of x and y by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method, first -3 -3, and second -7 -15, 1 3, and last -3 -3. Cross multiplication method, x y and number will be left side is equal to 0, so 1, positive 1. X divided by 15 3s are 45, minus minus plus, and minus minus positive, 7 3s are 21, is equal to y upon 7 3s are minus 21, 15 1s are 15, minus plus 1 upon -3, minus plus 3 3s are 9. X divided by 45 minus 21, that is equal to 24, and y divided by -6, 1 upon 9 minus 3 equal to positive 6. X is equal to divided by 6, that is 4. So value of x is equal to 4, and y is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1. This implies y is equal to minus 1. Answer. Given equation, its equation first, its equation number second, and a1 is 1 and a2 is 3, b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 3, c1 is minus 7, c2 is minus 15. We are checking a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, but a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, is not equal to c1 upon c2. So its unique solution, and we can find the value of x and y by cross multiplication method. X, y and 1. Minus 3 minus 3, minus 7 minus 15, 1 3, and lastly minus 3 minus 3. Value of x 15 3s are 45 and 7 3s are 21. Minus, that will be minus minus is positive, and this will be positive, and in formula minus, then 45 minus 21, that is equal to 24, and y upon minus 21 positive 15 equal to minus 6, and 1 upon 3 ones are minus 3, and 3 3s are 9, positive 9, 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Value of x upon 24 equal to 1 upon 6, 24 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 24, divided by 6, 6 4s are 24, we get the value of x equal to 4. Similarly, y upon minus 6 equal to 1 upon 6, 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, minus 6 multiplied by 1 equal to minus 6 divided by 6, that will be minus 1. So value of y equal to minus 1. Answer. Thank you so much.